This is DJI Neo 2 Fly More combo, and today I'll show how you can check for the firmware updates on this device. So to start, you will need to launch Settings. Next, enter the About category, and here look for the aircraft firmware. Now, if you'll have an update available, you'll have the Update Available button here, so tap on it to perform the update, then press Update, and now allow some time for the update to be well downloaded and installed, or generally speaking, finished. So here we have some user feedback that I do not want to complete, to be perfectly honest. So let's see if, well, it wasn't performed for some reason. Yeah, this is the menu that you should be looking for. So my update is 600 megabytes in size. Yours can vary. So just press the update button and wait for the update to finish. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching, and bye-bye.